Hi, I am going to show you now the new development in the automated tank. I have developed here the feeder, which I didn't put it in the previous video. As you see, this is the feeder outlet. It's يعني this is adapter to convert the high voltage to low voltage, and if we go to inside the tank here, we will see it is connected to normal feeder timer. Okay, and now I am going to give a signal to the system to start feeding now. Actually, for feeding I programmed the system so that it can feed. I will use my remote control to open the monitor, and from here I'm going to choose settings. Okay, through settings I am going to choose feeding. For feeding, I programmed my system to feed my fish 2 times per day. I can make it 3, I can make it 4, whatever, and then I can save it. For the time being, I am going to choose feed now. When I feed now, the first option, we will notice that the protein skimmer has stopped, and also the main pump has stopped now since it takes the order, and as a result, as you see, the food started to be in the tank. We will notice what will happen here. Okay, the air pump started so that it can give a circulation. Also, the wave maker will start to distribute the food over the all over the tank. My fish started now to their diet. They started. The air bubbles here comes. Okay, it will open automatically for 5-6 minutes till my fish will finish their food. As you will notice here that the water level has been decreased, and because I already stopped, or it is already stopped, the main pump. Okay, if we go to the sump now, okay, we will notice that the protein skimmer has stopped, and as you notice, the water level has been raised in the sump. And in the meantime, while the water level has been increased here, okay, actually I have my sump pump already working, and it will take the extra water. Okay, extra water, it will take it from the tank and it will bring it here to put it in a separate reservation, water reserve. Okay, so that my water will not come out from the sump to cover my sump ground. Let us return back to my fish now. They are enjoying their diet currently, and they are almost finished all the food. Okay, as you see, the color here in the tank is changing. Because of the water circulation in the tank, the food has been distributed all over the tank, so the fish is trying to move to catch all or every piece of food. So no extra food, as you see here, no extra food on the gravel. Sooner you will see that here we can see some wave maker, so that it gives some final circulation for water, to be sure that there is no extra food remaining without being eaten by fish. Okay, I think automatically sooner we will see that the main pump should start. This is the lid for main pump. So as you see, it's already closed. Okay, after exactly 5 minutes it should start now. The monitor is going to sleep automatically after 1 minute without being used, and I can open it again. Okay, I can return here to my monitor, okay, to see the setting, the current setting, pH and whatever I need to read, and I can let me see some graphs. Okay, this is the tank temperature. As you see, it's raising all the day. This is the tank pH, it's almost stable. The tank TDS, it's vibrating a little bit. Tank water level, almost stable. And this is the room temperature, depend on the AC how many degrees I put it. Okay, this is the room humidity, and this graph is for room illumination, and this is some temperature, and this is the unit temperature, and this graph is for power consumption, and finally this graph is for lighting per day and per year. Let us return to monitor now. The main pump should start very soon. Okay, after some time, after the main pump will start, 1 moment later the air bubble will stop again, as we see here, as we notice. I am waiting for the main pump to start working again. Still waiting for food to start eating. As we see now, my main pump didn't start. Maybe it will take some more time, but for the time being, let me show one thing. I can quick the process by going to control. For example, I can control my main pump to put it on now, and also after some time I can, as you see, I put it on, and as you see here, the water level will start to increase. Okay, and I can put again my protein skimmer. Now I think my main pump, I will put it to auto again. Okay, let me go to main pump. It's on again, and by the way, it's time for light to be closed. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. I will keep you updated in case of any development happen. See you. Bye.